Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple Lego Cardinal. I'm going to take apart my Lego Cardinal. I took apart my Lego Cardinal and these are the pieces you need. Let's get started. First, I'm going to build the head. Now I'm going to put on the eyes. Now I'm finished with the head. Let's build the legs. Now I'm going to build the body. I'm finished with the body. Now let's add the tail. Now I'm going to add the head. Now the final part, the legs. There you have your Lego Cardinal. I hope you make this at home and have fun. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Bye!